shelf and kept me for yourself. I can only blame myself. You can only blame me. And I could write a song 100 miles long. Well, that's where I belong, and you belong with me. And I could write it down or spread it all around, get lost and then get found, or swallowed in the sea.
Come on! Huh? So Neetu! Neetu! Where are... Neetu! Neetu, उठी जा! Neetu! अरे उल्लू क्या करूं? Neetu, ઉભી રહે. મારી વાત સાંભળ. મને એવું લાગે છે હું ગાંડો થઈ રહ્યો છું. I'm going crazy.
શું થયું જીગી?
I'm unraveling, Neetu. I'm losing touch.
Wow, you've not been sleeping well lately.
I don't know where I am half the time these days. Today I walked down Marine Drive and I thought I was in a foreign country.
I know what you're feeling lately.
It's not just a feeling, Neetu. Something's happening to me. The telephone on my desk rings 7-8 times before I answer it. Today I forgot how to work the water cooler. I stood there with an empty cup in my hand and water running down all over my shoes.
Ale. Hey, Baba. Everybody's feeling the tension these days, Baba.
Tension? Neetu, if I could just feel the tension, I'd give ₹1,00,000 to charity. When you're tense, you're tight, you're holding on to something. I don't know where to grab, Neetu. I'm slipping, Neetu. I'm scared.
Shoot. We'll go see the analyst in the morning? Huh?
Kaun, Dr. Vora? He's dead.
Sure?
He's dead. Mari kyo? 6 years of my life, ₹2,00,000. He got my money. Abhi ene shu farak pade hu jivu ke maru.
So, how about seeing someone else? There are so many other good doctors, no?
And do what, Neetu? Start all over from the beginning? Kem chho yaar bhai? Kevu chali rahi ho chhe baddu? What seems to be the problem? Arey, it will take me another ₹2,00,000 to give this doctor information I already gave to the dead one.
Okay, how about a little therapy? Maybe you just need to talk to someone. Huh?
Neetu, I don't know where or who I am anymore. I don't need analysts. I need lost and found.
Sure. Be quiet. Okay. So, how about a small vacation? Small 2-week vacation, someplace away from the city in the hills.
Even the cactus is dying, Neetu. The strongest plant in the world needs to be watered only twice a year and it's dying. Couldn't take the tension, Neetu.
Jignesh!
Huh?
Answer me, no. Can't you ask them for 2 weeks off?
Yeah, I can ask them for 2 weeks off. The problem is they'll ask me to take the other 50 weeks as well.
How can they do that? How can they do that? You've been working with them for 17 years, Jiggy. Jiggy, is this what is bothering you? Are you worried about losing your job?
I'm not worried about losing my job, Neetu. I'm worried about keeping it. Losing it is easy. Everybody is losing it.
Something happened? Did they say anything to you?
They don't have to say anything. The production house lost 60 crore rupees this year. Now suddenly they are looking to save Chidlar. The vice president of my department, he's been using the same paper clip for the past 3 weeks now. Imagine, a 62-year-old man with a duplex in Malabar Hill and a house in Alibag, running around the office shouting, "Where is my paperclip? Where is my paperclip?" And how do I know? Where is paperclip?
Please, you relax, okay? First you relax. They haven't actually told you anything, no?
They closed down the executive dining room. My favorite room. Nobody goes out to lunch anymore. They bring small white colored tiffin boxes from home. Imagine top level executives earning 2 crore rupees every year eating pudina chutney sandwich.
Nothing has happened yet. Why are you worrying now?
Nobody comes to work late anymore. Everybody's scared. One day, if you're late to work, they'll just sell off your desk.
What if they did? We'll live, we'll get by. You'll get another job somewhere else.
Where, Nitu? I'm going to be 42 years old this January, Kitla.
42.
Haan. They'll get two 21-year-olds for half my money.
Suppose you did lose your job. We don't have to stay in Mumbai, Jiggy. We can go to Navi Mumbai or Pune. Pune is very beautiful.
And what do I do in the beautiful Pune? Put a bag on my shoulders and sell chikkis on the expressway. Or maybe I'll get the job of a toll collector. Beautiful Pune.
Jiggy, we have enough savings, okay? We don't need much for the two of us anyway.
You still need food, you need clothing, you need shelter. And my favorite chana dal, it costs rupees 85 per kilo, kitna?
85.
Haan. And you make it only once a month these days.
Jiggy, આપણે નવસારી જશું. એટલું મોટું ancestral house. We have 5 cows and 3 dogs. We can always go there, na Jiggy?
So I'm 42 years old with arthritis in my shoulder and high blood pressure, and you expect me to milk goats and breed cows in Navsari?
Can't you find some kind of job there, Jiggy?
An advertising account executive in Navsari. They must be probably waiting for someone like that with a jayamala in their hands at the station, Nitu.
What is it that you have here that is so hard to give up? What are you going to miss so badly, Jiggy?
Nitu, I am not through with my life yet, okay? And हमारी पण काही इज्जत से समाज में. I still have some value, I still have some worth.
So izzat, Jiggy? So what? Look at yourself. You live like some sort of caged animal from Apno Baikala Zoo that is too hot in one room and too cold in another. Huh? You're being overcharged for a growth on the side of the building they call a terrace, which can't even support your cactus plant, let alone supporting the two of us. Aaj hai tari life? Aaj hai tari izzat? Huh?
So, what do you think? It's much better in Navsari?
Jiggy, forget Navsari. There are so many other places where we can go now.
Arey kya? Huh? Manali, Dharamshala. There are more chillums out there than people. So chillam bhuki ne jeevan jeevan se kare.
Hey, I'm willing to go anywhere in the world with you, okay? Anywhere. I'll live in a cave or a hut or even a tree. I'll even live in the deserts of Rajasthan if that is what you want to do.
Maybe call a travel agency right now and book 2 tickets for Bangladesh. આપણે શું કરીએ? We'll go to Bangladesh and sell dhoklas over there. કેટલું સારું લાગે ને? Mr. and Mrs. Vyas selling dhoklas in Dhaka.
To me like I'm insane, okay?
Arey, I'm halfway there. You might as well catch up.
I'm trying to offer reasonable suggestions to you. I'm not doing this to you. I'm not responsible for this, okay?
Baby.
Then what do you want from me, Vicky? What do you want from anybody?